Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today we are going to be comparing some of the basic functions of the two well-known smartwatches that comes from China. Now these are going to be the KW98H smartwatch on the right, the KW99 smartwatch on the left. Now before we begin, we are going to ask if you can subscribe to our channel because we come out with regular content like this on the newest gadgets, electronics, and watches, and we'll be providing you with a lot more value regularly. If you guys do proceed to purchase these watches after this video, you can use my affiliate links below, which will take you to Amazon or eBay through trusted sources, and you guys will be able to purchase these watches, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. So now let's begin. So I have made another video in regards to these two watches and their internal functions. So we're not going to go through the internal functions deeply on this video. We are really going to go through the looks, the cosmetics, and just the themes of these two watches. Okay? So right off the bat, I just want to mention that the KW99 is the much more expensive version of these two watches. This can go from anywhere of $100 to $120 depending on the website and the supplier that you purchase this from. This can go from anywhere under $100. Okay, so about $70 to $100. It really depends on the supplier that you purchase it from. So let's begin. With the K98H smartwatch, you're going to find yourself with a silicone band with some pretty cool patterns here. It's a dressy watch with a 4-pin magnetic charger, so if it runs out of battery, you can just snap it right on and charges pretty quickly. Now the battery here can last you anywhere from a day to 2, depending on the usage. It's also going to have a SIM card slot, so if you don't have, if you don't want to connect your phone every time to your phone to operate and use some of the phone functions, you can buy yourself a SIM card from a mobile carrier, and you can really operate this watch independently on its own. The case itself, it's going to be smaller than the K99 smartwatch. It's slightly smaller, but it's still a very good size. Cool case with very much seconds details on the edges of the case. It also has a fitness sensor, so it is capable of tracking fitness data. Now, let's go through the KW99. KW99 is going to come with a leather band, so do not take this watch anywhere near water. Otherwise, for one, the watch itself is not waterproof, and the band itself could get ruined if it sustains quite a bit of water. The case here, it looks a lot more premium than the K98H smartwatch. Full silver, made out of aluminum, that is, but silver color. You're going to see a lot of details on this watch on the edges of the case, just like the K98H. And it also comes with a SIM card slot, 4-pin magnetic charger, similar battery capacity. Very similar. And a fitness sensor. So even though this is a pretty dressy watch, you can still expect to track fitness data with it. So you don't have to buy a separate fitness tracker if you want to just track basic fitness functions and activities. Now let's go through some of the watch faces that these two watches come with. Now they have pretty similar themes. You're going to see a lot of watch faces that come with the hour hand, the minute hand, and the second hand, just like a quartz watch. If you want to go through and check out some of the default watch faces that each watch comes with, you want to long press the home face, and then swipe right or left, depending on your position. And then you're going to find some of the watch faces that the watch comes with. Okay, so the K98H is going to come with a lot of clock faces. with all three hands of the watch. It's also going to come with, some smartwatch looking faces, just like this one, and some pretty cool ones here. Okay, like this one. So it comes with quite a bit of watch faces. This is the default one, which is one of my favorites. KW99, on the other hand, has a similar amount of watch faces. A lot of clock faces, like I said. So it looks very premium, for a lot of these faces, which is what KW99 is trying to convey. It also has some smartwatch face, just like this one. You can also download paid or free watch faces from a website that you find online, if you choose to. So it has the capability of doing that. Okay, so without looking at the internal functions of these two watches, for which they are pretty similar anyways, I do prefer to have the KW98H smartwatch for most occasions, because it's just a more casual watch. I like silicone band. It feels a lot more comfortable than leather band. Does not feel like, you have to immediately take it off when you're washing your hands or for whatever other reason that you might encounter some water. So that could be a hassle sometimes. The KW99 smartwatch is a more special occasions watch, as you can tell. It's dressier. It goes with something more fancy that you could wear. Dress shirts, a jacket, a suit. So overall, I do prefer the K98H smartwatch for most occasions. And this will conclude my short video of these two watches. If you guys did enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be sure to be back with you with more valuable content just like this. And if you guys do proceed to purchase these two watches, use my affiliate links below and it will take you to Amazon or eBay. And I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. See you guys next time.